Hello everyone. Many people ask me about the uses of lemongrass. So today we are making lemongrass and ginger tea. It's a healthy drink and it's perfect to have our body. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. So great thing about you can grow lemongrass in your garden. Anytime you need, you just walk out and pluck some stalks. Here I have a bunch. How many you can do to fit your pot? I don't have exact measurement here for the recipe. So whatever the pot you use, you just fill that up. And I use a knot of ginger here. And I cut two slices so that they're easier to be extracted, the aroma and the goodness from them. So I will fill my pot full of water and I let it cook. So I let it boil for a while. You don't need to cook so much, and because anytime you use it, you cook it again. So in the meantime, I squeeze the juice from the lime and I add honey in it. If you go stark, you might use a ratio of 1:1 like me. That because of very strong liquid, I added to water. If you cannot stand the smell, you add lime and lemon, and you can start out by less than 1 boil on 1 ratio, and you can increase over time because you will get used to it. And this drink is so very good for our body. It's have lower cholesterol, lower high blood pressure, fight cancer, cleanse our system, antibacterial and anti-depression, and many more. I will write down in the description box below for you to read, because when I talk like this, you might passing through and then you forgot all about that. So that's it. I mix the mix that I like, and that's it. We have the tea. Thank you for watching. Please come back to see me soon for the next video. Bye bye.